I've been around cars all my life and have worked in the motor industry for over 10 years. And despite recent improvements, it amazes me just how many people are bamboozled with complicated measurements and jargon that they simply just don't understand. And that's where MotorEasy comes into play. You get your own dedicated mechanic who is the go-between the repairer and you, so you know exactly what's happening to the service status or repair status of your car. And no matter what you're getting a quote for on the MotorEasy website, whether it's gap insurance, MOT, service, or anything else for that matter, you get your own dedicated account area where you will receive notifications and reminders for MOT and more. And that's what I love about MotorEasy. MotorEasy is the fastest growing motoring association in the UK.